So today I'm going to teach you how to do a frontside air. This was a trick request. If you've got a request for a trick you want to learn, leave it in the comments below and I'll try and teach it to you. Frontside air, the classic trick that pretty much anyone who skates ramps wants to be able to do. I'm going to teach you the old school tuck knee method that pretty much anyone who can do a kick turn will be able to do. If you haven't yet, make sure to check out my frontside grind tutorial. That's a really great starting point for this trick. So we'll start on flat with a really important point, and that's grabbing tuck knee. People learning frontside airs a lot of time will grab stink bug between the legs. This is bad. Push stance airs are not good. Learn the proper way first, and that's with the tuck knee. So to do a tuck knee, turn your shoulders and drop your back knee as you reach down around your knee to grab the toe side of the board. So now you know how to grab tuck knee, do some tuck knee turns on the bottom of the ramp. So with not too much speed, come at the ramp like you can do a regular kick turn. Compress a little more than you normally would, reach down, grab the board toe side, pull the board up a little as you do a regular pivot turn with your back foot. So just practice this until you're really comfortable doing a grab while you do a frontside kick turn. It should feel smooth, it shouldn't feel awkward. You're going to pull the board up into a little wheelie. You can even scrape the tail a little bit. Next step, when you're comfortable doing a little grab rail turn, at the apex of that little wheelie turn, try pulling your back foot up and tucking your back knee into your chest a little bit. The board's going to lift into the air as you rotate, and then you want to let go of the board just before you land on all four wheels, compress and roll away. And that's it. That's the basic kind of movements of a little itty bitty frontside air. Once you got on the bottom of the ramp, just take a little higher. Just start with doing some regular frontside turns and just trying to touch the rail of your board. And then as you get more comfortable, reach down and actually pull it into a grab. If you compress as you're coming up, dropping the back knee, the hand will kind of automatically go into just the right spot for the grab. Keep practicing till you can do really smooth grab turns higher on the ramp. Next step, just add that little bit of extra motion of pulling up the back foot and tucking your back knee, and it'll turn into a little air. Now you got the startings of a nice little frontside air. Next step is to get it off the coping. Start with some frontside grinds with the grab rail. Same technique as previous, but add the grind into the mix. And again, once you're comfortable doing a grab rail frontside grind, just add that little extra move, pulling up the back foot, and it'll turn into a little tiny air out of the coping. So you want to make sure you don't over-rotate. You want to make sure your board comes back in straight with the ramp, not like this, or you'll kind of spin out. Another thing you want to do is spot where your back truck's going to land, which is just below the coping. You want to spot that right before you put all four wheels down. So, drop in with enough speed to get to a grind. Compress early, drop the back knee and rotate your shoulders as you go down for the grab. Grab toe side and then pull with your hand a little as the back truck hits the coping. Lift your back foot and suck both knees into your chest. Spot the landing, let go as you plant all four wheels, compress, and roll away. Then it's just a matter of practice, trying to get higher and higher and higher. You're going to bail, you're going to fail, but you just go back a couple of steps to get your confidence up. Frontside airs are the best trick. Learn it, take it to tons of spots, and have fun.